So today we're gonna make Thai Basil Prawns. So first of all, the ingredients that we need are 2 kilograms of prawns, 3 large onions finely sliced, 10 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 10 bird-eye chili finely chopped, 2 handful of mint leaves. Here we have 10 handful of basil leaf, and if preferable, you use Thai basil instead of any other basil like lemon basil or whatnot. Try to avoid those, as this Thai basil, this Thai holy basil, it will give you that peppery taste. And here we have 5 teaspoons of brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of white pepper powder. And here we have a mixture of 10 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 10 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 10 tablespoons of fish sauce, all mixed together, and later on we'll use it to fry the sauce for the Thai basil prawns. Okay, so in a wok, we need to heat up 4 tablespoons of oil, and first of all, the ingredients that we need to put in is our chopped garlic. Give it a good stir. Okay, so once the garlic has started to brown, we can insert our chopped chilies. Give it a good stir. Now be careful not to burn the garlic, or else it will have that unpleasant burnt garlic smell that will ruin your Thai basil prawn gravy. So now our next ingredient will be our sliced onions. Give it a good stir. Now we just have to let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes to saute on its own until the onions are soft. Okay, so now that our onions have softened, so we can insert our prawns. On high heat, just stir the prawns together with the onions. Now spread them around evenly. Okay, leave it to sear on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now that our prawns have started to cook and it has become slightly reddish, so now we can put in our mixture of oyster sauce, soy sauce, and fish sauce in our prawns. And we will let it simmer for about 5 minutes until the prawns are properly cooked. Okay, so once we pour in the sauce, we give it a good stir. Okay, so as it starts to boil by the side, we can insert our pepper powder and our sugar. Just give it a good stir. Okay, now the next ingredient is our basil leaf. Now with this, we have to make sure that we are stirring them well to make sure that it coats all of the prawns. And next is our mint leaves. So now we just leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes before we turn the stove off.